Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna share with you my favorite fried Meehun recipe with stewed pork that is coming from a can. So first I'm gonna get some red chili from my garden and also some sweet basil. They are growing very nice in the garden. And the ingredient is just these 4 different things. The stewed canned pork being the most important one. And of course you have your Meehun and then the garlic. So that's actually 5 things. First you want to soak the Meehun for about 10 minutes at least, and then you start preparing the other ingredients. Smash some garlic, chopped up the chili, put them aside. And of course if you're using sweet basil, you have to remove the stem because you don't really want to eat them, right? But instead of sweet basil, you can also use any other green vegetables if you want to go along with your Meehun. Then next up is to heat up some oil or lard and start to fry your garlic first. You can have it chunky, you can dice it, it's up to you. Then once it starts to get a bit fragrant, add some red chili and then the Meehun that we have already pre-soaked just now. Of course, dark soya sauce is a must whenever it comes to fried Meehun. Stir a little bit, a minute or so, and then add your stewed canned pork. This one, I like to just break it apart a little bit so that you get to eat more, I guess. And just let it boil and fry for another minute or so. Then you add your sweet basil, again, stir and keep stirring for another minute or so, and that's basically done. And you just serve it on your plate and enjoy while it is hot. So I have 1 can for 2 portion. The Meehun weight I think is about how many 100 gram Meehun for 2 person? How many? 150 gram Meehun for 2 person. Enjoy, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy this. Bye.